Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the Developer tab and safe macro settings before building, so enable them now. Open File, right arrow Options, right arrow Customize Ribbon and check Developer. That shows controls, code, add-ins. Then go to Trust Center, right arrow Macro Settings and pick Disable with notification so you can choose when to run code. Make sure Protected View settings won't block your files. Adjust only for trusted folders. Once done, you'll see Visual Basic and Insert buttons. Those are your entry points to automate and extend worksheets. Open the Visual Basic editor by clicking Visual Basic or pressing Alt plus F11. This is where you write code. Insert a module for standard procedures, or add a class module for objects and a user form for dialogues. Start with Option Explicit to catch variable typos, declare variables and write sub or function with clear names. Step through code with F8 to watch execution, set breakpoints to pause, and use the immediate window to test expressions. Once you can run a small macro, expand logic and handle errors gracefully. Place controls from the Developer tab, form controls for simple buttons and assign macro, or ActiveX for property-rich elements. Link controls to cells or macros, then format captions and tab order so users understand actions. Protect or hide VBA if needed, and always save the workbook as an XLSM macro-enabled file. Test thoroughly on copy data, step through edge cases, and create a short usage note. Troubleshooting tip: if macros won't run, check Trust Center settings and unblock the file in its folder properties. This fixes most permission blockers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.